Hi, let's install Java JDK in Windows 10. So in this video, we are going to follow two steps. One is to download and install Java JDK, and the another one is to set up environment variable. So we will be setting up path variable and Java underscore home variable. So before downloading and installing Java, let's quickly validate that if Java is working in my system or not. So for that, let's get into your command prompt and simply type java hyphen version. So here by just hitting enter, it says Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, which means Java is not actually working in my system currently. So let's follow this process, downloading and installing Java first, actually JDK. Get into your browser, type Java JDK download. Go to the official oracle.com website. And here the latest version available is Java 15. So I will click on this link, JDK download, and clicking this will take you to this options that what actually file you want to download. So since I am downloading this for my Windows machine, and which is actually a 64-bit operating system, so I will go for this option, and this is the related link to download the setup file. So click on it, accept the agreement, click download, and in order to quickly complete this video, I have already downloaded this file, so I will be pausing this currently downloading and will get back to my downloads. And this is the file that I have already downloaded, which is the similar 15.0.1. So double click on this file. Follow the installation process. Click next. Go to the default directory option. Click next. And the installation is complete. So click close. So this step is done. Now let's set up the path and Java home variable. So in order to set up this environment variable, just press the window button and type environment variable. Simply type environment. So once you start typing environment, you will get this option, edit the system environment variables. So click on this, go to this environment variables, and on this window, scroll down under this environment variables section, scroll down and find out the path variable. So capital PATH, edit this one. And here you need to add a path where your Java is installed currently. So in order to find out the path, I will get back to my C drive, program files, Java, and this is the path where my JDK 15.0.1 is installed currently. So I will get into this folder and I will get into the bin folder as well. So this is going to be the path that I will be adding inside that path variable. So copy this path, get back to the environment variable, click new and paste the path here. Click OK. So this way we have added path variable under system variable, or basically under environment variables. Now next is to add the Java underscore home variable. So get back to the environment variables again. And in order to add that, basically you should add that for user label. So for this user, I will be adding a variable by clicking new, by typing Java underscore home, all capital, and the value should be, get back to your C drive, under your JDK installation. So this time exclude this bin folder. So my Java underscore home will be the home folder where my JDK is installed. So basically all these paths. Copy this path and get back to your Java underscore home and paste that path here. Click OK and all OKs to complete this process. All right, so in this way we have set up path variable and Java underscore home variable. So quickly validate that if my Java path setup is successful or not. For that, let's go to the command prompt. And now if you type again Java hyphen version, it will give you the current version number, which is 15.0.1 that we have just set up. And again, in order to check the Java underscore home variable as well, you can look for that as well by just typing echo under double percentage Java underscore home. So this prints the path, which is the home path of my Java that we have just set up. All right, so in this way, we have completed all these steps and we have successfully installed Java JDK 15 in my Windows machine.